Ano ang dapat gawin kung 3 weeks pregnant ka at hindi ka pa readyng magkaanak? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about something sensitive but really important, especially for women who might be going through a tough time right now. If you're 3 weeks pregnant and hindi mo pa alam kung anong gagawin, I get it. Ang hirap magdesisyon. Marami tayong mga options and in this video, I'll walk you through your choices. So kung medyo lost ka or confused, stay tuned hanggang dulo. So ano nga ba ang mga options ng isang babaeng buntis na hindi ready magkaanak? Okay, so let's get straight to the point. Kung ikaw ay 3 weeks pregnant at hindi mo pa alam kung anong gagawin, may 3 options ka. Parenting, abortion, or adoption. Ang first option ay parenting. Ibig sabihin nito, itutuloy mo ang pregnancy at ikaw na mismo ang mag-aalaga sa bata. Kailangan mong isipin kung handa ka bang magbago ang buong buhay mo dahil dito. Parenting is a huge responsibility and it's not just about giving birth. It's about making sure you can give the child everything they need para lumaki silang masaya at healthy. Pero I know hindi lahat ng tao feels ready for this, so if you're not sure, that's okay. You don't need to rush into any decisions. Ang next is abortion. This is another option if you feel that continuing the pregnancy is not the right choice for you. You can go for a medical abortion, which usually involves taking medication, or a surgical abortion, depending on how far along you are. It's really important to consult a healthcare provider para makuha mo ang tamang advice, and also to be aware of the legal aspects kasi iba-iba ang rules sa iba't ibang lugar. Dito sa Pilipinas, abortion is illegal. Ibig sabihin, ang batas dito ay hindi nagpapahintulot ng abortion. Maliban na lang kung ang buhay ng ina ay nasa panganib. Kaya kung wala kang emergency medical condition, hindi ka pwedeng magpa-abort legally dito sa bansa. I know na sobrang hirap ng ganitong sitwasyon. Kung hindi ka ready magkaanak or may iba kang personal na dahilan, talagang mahirap magdesisyon. But we need to understand that abortion kahit saan may malalaking risk, and it's important to be aware of that. Ngayon, mabuti ba ang abortion? Sa tingin ko, wala namang simple answer dyan. Ang abortion ay isang personal na desisyon at depende ito sa sitwasyon ng bawat tao. Pero sa medical side, may mga risk ito tulad ng infection, heavy bleeding, at emotional distress. Kung hindi ito gagawin sa isang safe at regulated environment, pwede pang magdulot ng permanenteng damage. That's why even though abortion is illegal here, may mga tao pa ring nagtatangkang magpa-abort through unsafe methods. And that's where the danger really lies. Mahirap na ang sitwasyon mo. Tapos maaaring magdulot pa ito ng health complications. Importante na lang kung ikaw ay nag-iisip ng abortion, it's best na mag-seek ka ng advice mula sa mga health professionals. May mga clinic sa ibang bansa na may safe na abortion procedures pero dapat siguraduhin mo na alam mo ang risk at hindi ka malalagay sa panganib. I know this can be an emotional and hard decision and it's okay to feel scared or uncertain. The most important thing is that you make an informed choice that feels right for you and that you have the support you need along the way. And lastly, adoption. Kung gusto mong ituloy ang pregnancy pero hindi mo kayang alagaan ng bata, pwede mong ipanganak siya at ibigay siya sa isang pamilya na handang mag-alaga. Adoption can be a beautiful thing kasi nagbibigay ka ng opportunity sa ibang tao na magkaanak and you're also making sure na magkakaroon ng loving home yung baby mo. If you choose adoption, there are agencies that can guide you through the process and some of them even allow you to keep in touch with the child after they're adopted if that's something you want. Ang importante, ladies, is that you take your time to think about all your options. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each situation is unique and what matters is that you make the choice that's best for you, your future, and your well-being. Kung ikaw man ay undecided pa or you need someone to talk to, don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or even a counselor. Importante na may support system ka and remember, no matter what decision you make, it's your decision and you deserve to be supported in whatever path you choose. So I hope this video helped you understand your options a little bit more. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Take care everyone and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!